Welcome to our channel Gadgets ReviewIn. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate audio experience, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we unveil the top 3 stereo amplifiers of 2023 that are sure to take your music journey to new heights. Whether you're an audiophile or a casual listener, these amplifiers are bound to impress. Let's dive into the world of impeccable sound quality. At number 3 we have Facmogu BT298 Stereo Amplifier. Enjoy clear and clean sound with RMS 50WX2/Max 400WX2 stereo effect from this small BT amplifier. It is perfect for karaoke, home theater, and acoustic sound systems. It's great for small apartments, bedrooms, offices, basements, and garages. Its compact size design fits easily into your bookshelf or AV cabinets. Get great sound at an affordable price with this little BT amp receiver. It's perfect for beginners who don't want to break the bank and don't need anything too fancy. Connect your music streaming devices like PC/mobile/laptop with Bluetooth, RCA and mic input. It also supports USB port, SD/TF card port and FM radio. Just enjoy your music the way you want to. At number 2 we have Pyle Bluetooth Stereo Amplifier. 300 watt power, the 2-channel Bluetooth stereo amplifier receiver is perfect for your karaoke and home theater acoustic sound system. Gives you 300 watt power output, accommodates 2 sets of speakers, lets you enjoy high quality amplified audio. 7 inputs, the digital amp box supports various external sources, 2 pairs RCA audio input for tuner, CD player, tape deck, 2 1/4 inches microphone in, USB, SD card, OIN, FM radio, headphone output. Features combo screw type banana plug speaker output. The improved professional compact bookshelf sound amplifier features crisp, responsive buttons for mode controls. Rotary knob controls for mic volume, balance, bass, treble, master volume, input source and the unique folder/track. At number 1 we have YAMAHA RS202BL Stereo Amplifier. Advanced circuitry design. Speaker selector for 2 systems. Input sensitivity, CD, 500 MV/47K ohms headphone terminal auto power standby function speaker selector and speaker terminals for 2 systems. YAMAHA, the most trusted brand in home audio, adds Bluetooth compatibility in this hi-fi receiver for easy wireless access to streaming music services and music on your smartphone or other devices. Enjoy the connectivity and the outstanding and legendary quality of YAMAHA natural sound. Frequency response: 10 Hz to 100 kHz, 0 plus or minus half a decibel, 0 plus or minus 3.0 decibels.